Are you trying to integrate TensorFlow's Ba attention module into your Keras project? It can be tricky, but don't worry. Today, we're going to break down how to wrap TensorFlow components for seamless use in Keras. I totally understand your frustration. Many developers face challenges when trying to combine different libraries, especially when it comes to TensorFlow and Keras. You're definitely not alone in this. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user asked, is there a convention for wrapping TensorFlow components to be compatible with Keras? They shared their code, which isn't working yet, and are looking for guidance. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what's the issue here? When integrating TensorFlow layers into Keras, you need to ensure that the components are compatible with Keras's computation graph. This can be a bit complex, but we will simplify it for you. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a pro tip that will make your integration process smoother and more efficient. To begin wrapping the TensorFlow Ba attention module for use in Keras, the user should first ensure that they have the necessary imports. This includes Keras and TensorFlow libraries. Next, the user should define the Ba attention class, inheriting from the Keras layer class. This is where the user will implement the attention mechanism. In the build method, the user needs to create the attention mechanism using TensorFlow's Ba attention. This will allow the layer to attend to the memory states. After setting up the attention and GRU cell, the user should wrap the cell with attention and define the dynamic RNN. This will allow the model to process sequences with attention. Finally, the user should implement the call method to define how the layer processes input data and compute the output shape. This is crucial for integrating the layer into a Keras model. Fun fact, the Ba attention mechanism was a game changer in the field of neural networks, allowing models to focus on specific parts of the input sequence. It's like having a spotlight on the most important information. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests using the built-in tf.keras.layers.additive attention, which works seamlessly with Keras. This option is straightforward and requires no additional coding. If you prefer a custom approach, you can create a Ba attention layer in just a few lines of code. For more details, check the link provided. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always test your custom layers with simple inputs first. This will help you identify issues early on and make debugging much easier. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to successfully wrap TensorFlow components for use in Keras. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on deep learning.